and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This side Riya. So now this is not how I make videos, but मुझे eventually ज्ञान देने का बहुत मन कर रहा था because when I was entering in the college, I wanted all this ज्ञान. I used to watch all the videos which is related to net. I used to watch all the vlogs which is related to net. So I'm sure कि मेरे जैसे कीड़े बाकियों के दिल में भी होंगे.
Wow!
I have watched a lot of things. Keep, don't get attached, do not trust anybody, and a lot of things. Because being me is very difficult. मैंने वही किया जो मुझे करना था. Even after listening to so many videos, I get attached with people. I trusted every fucking one very easily. कौन सी एडवाइसेस है जो हमें जाननी चाहिए, कौन सी एडवाइसेस है जो हम लोग बिल्कुल फॉलो नहीं करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मैंने इतना ज्ञान दिया एंड लास्ट में मैंने वही किया जो मुझे करना था. यू आर गोइंग टू हैव फन इफ यू डू नॉट फॉलो मी. So let's move towards the video because I am not gonna stop right here. So let's go. Advice which I would like to give you is get out of your comfort zone. I know you are an introvert. I know. In school, whatever your personality was, you can change it if you want to. Like if you are a very introvert person and you genuinely don't interact with people very fast, but let me tell you, if you will not do this time, it is not gonna benefit you at all. Interact with your seniors. Do not interact with your seniors because you want to get an internship. This is very basic. I get to hear this all of time कि सीनियर्स इंटरैक्टर्स लेकर एक इंटर्नशिप है. भाई उन्हें खुद भी इंटर्नशिप नहीं मिल रहा. You have to interact with them to get to know about how the industry works and तुम उनसे काम सीख सकते हो. कभी कभी उनकी हेल्प करोगे तो you will also learn something. A give and take relationship. इसमें इंटर्नशिप मत घुसाना please. Explore the style, do whatever you want to do. Do not care of people who talk shit about you. Let me tell you, people in NEFT are judgmental. Like when I was coming in the college, I get to know that people in NEFT are not judgmental. They do not care. They do not give shit. Whatever you wear, whatever you are doing, they do not give a shit. But that's not the reality. Because people will talk about you. People will bitch about you. The next advice would be do not try to fit in the groups in which you don't think that you belong to. Initial days you will feel alone because they have the big groups, they are having fun, like you are having nothing. Because eventually it is going to break. You will sometimes feel like you're very alone in the college, and which is very odd because like student like me always feels something is odd because I was never in that position when in my school कि I don't have friends. But here when I was in college, I used to be like, what is happening? I used to think that college is going to be fun, but it is not. Why it is very depressing and a lot of overthinking goes on. But eventually I'll find my group. They are nice. Take care of your health. This is very important because जूरी में अगर तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब हुई, nobody is gonna help you out. Nobody. Not even your friends also. It's very difficult, very, because you are away from your parents and some of you might be with your parents, but still जूरी में तुम्हारा काम अगर कोई नहीं करने वाला. So please take care of your health, and I'm giving this advice to myself also. Would be selfish. Please be very much true to your feelings, and you will have fights. Let me tell you, being a girl like me, so just telling you a story कि मेरी स्कूल में आज से किसी से फाइट नहीं हुई, ठीक है. इन कॉलेज वाई एंटर्ड कॉलेज, आई नेवर थॉट कि मेरी किसी से लड़ाई हो सकती, बिकॉज मेरे भाई के अलावा मेरी किसी से लड़ाई नहीं होती. तो यू कैन गैस कि अगर मेरे को कोई नहीं पसंद है, आई स्टे अवे फ्रॉम देम, आई डू नॉट टॉक टू देम, दैट्स इट. दो झगड़े किए मैंने, दो लड़ाइयाँ की है. इन वन ऑफ दोज दो रीज़न पे मेरी लड़ाई हुई थी एंड मैंने बहुत बोला विच आई नेवर थॉट कि आई वुड स्पीक. देन आई वाज लाइक ब्रो व्हाट द फक आई डिड. एंड दिस ऑल हैपेंस इन सेम 2. एक 7 में मैंने कोई झगड़े नहीं किए, मैंने बहुत मस्ती की, बट यार बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई फर्स्ट सेम में भी, बट सेम 2 में मेरे ऑलमोस्ट झगड़े उसी में हुए हैं. not झगड़े types, like not like a fight वाला thing, because of group project. और वो which is basically very normal, in which two of them I cried like what the fuck has happened with me, like I cried like that. You will have fight in your groups too. Next advice would be attend all the classes because you have paid for them. It is very essential, because I know a lot of times you feel like let's not go to classes, but nobody is going to tell you ki go and study. Nobody is gonna help you out here in college. Nobody cares if you do not study. Nobody. If अगर तुम्हारा अटेंडेंस कम होता है, you're going to get follow up. अगर तुम फेल होते हो, carry forward. And for me it is too much, because carry forward में 9 to 10,000 और maybe 11,000 जाता है, एंड फॉलो अप भी 3,000 समथिंग लगता है. सो उससे बेटर है तुम क्लास चले जाओ भाई, जाके पढ़ लो. इतना लंबा क्लासेस नहीं होता. यू विल हैव फन इन द क्लासेस ऑल्सो. मतलब प्लीज़, यू आर पेइंग 20 lakhs and then you are not going to college. Advice would be, do not overshare. Please, do not trust anybody. Even if you have a very strong bond, like तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि वही बंदी है, वही बंदा है जो बहुत अच्छा है, no brother, because even if you trust someone, they might betray you. लोग बहुत जल्दी बदल जाते हैं. People change. Might can use your insecurities, and then you will be like, what the hell. I would pray कि तुम्हारी दोस्ती इतनी अच्छी चले, but it is very difficult in college. Like that's what I have. But मैंने काफ़ी झगड़े देखे हैं, लाइक कॉलेज में बहुत झगड़े हुए. एंड द थिंग इज़ कि इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ गुड बॉन्ड विद समवन एंड देन व्हेन यू फाइट विद देम, यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग शिटी थिंग्स अबाउट देम. लाइक आई फील लाइक ब्रो, एट सम पॉइंट यू आर फ्रेंड विद हिम और हर. प्लीज जस्ट respect that, na. In group projects you will have fights. For sure you are going to have fights. I can write it that in group projects you will have that fight. And you will feel like why I'm doing group project जब मुझे individual ही काम करना है. मतलब just letting you know my story कि मैंने ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट सारे एक ही ग्रुप के साथ किया है, बिकॉज मेरा बॉन्ड बहुत ही अच्छा था उनके साथ. तो मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं चेंज किया, बट काफ़ी लोगों का काफ़ी ग्रुप चेंज हुआ मेरे क्लास में. एंड इट वॉज वेरी ड्रामेटिक, बिकॉज सबको किसी ना किसी से प्रॉब्लम होती है. ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट होता ही ऐसा है कि क्या पता कि तुम जिस स्केल से काम कर रहे हो वैसा दूसरा इंसान नहीं कर रहा हो. एंड अभी मैं बहुत शांति से बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है, बट ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट में तुम्हारा दिमाग का भाजी पाला हो जाता है. लाइक जेन्युइनली भाजी पाला हो जाता है. तुम्हारे दिमाग की बैंड बज जाती है कि why the fuck I'm doing this, bro? This is not my individual work. This is a group project. Why people are not working here? You will think all of this. You will cry like me. One of the most important advice that I would like to give you. Please do not consume alcohol. Do not start smoking in college, because in college you will get so many opportunities. Sometimes you might have कि तुम्हारे हाथ में होगा, but it's your choice to say no. I have seen so many people in my college जो स्मोक नहीं करते थे, जो ड्रिंक्स नहीं लेते थे, but they eventually got very much addicted to it. And even after saying a lot of things, like उनको समझा के मैंने देखा, like even after letting them know कि ये सही नहीं है, because you are getting addicted to it, but it's their choice. At last they are going to take that decision. That's the thing. Like, you are going to take the decision. The last decision is going to be yours. The next advice would be, do not fall in love. I would not say anything. Just I would say, just be very much careful in a relationship and in your first year for sure, because this is very beginning stage where you don't know about people and how the world works, how people change. You don't know a lot of shit. I also don't know. I am just learning out this. Please take care of yourself. Please be close to your parents. Talk with them. Be close with your friends. If you have some close friends from school or from anywhere, just talk to them. And the last advice is going to be be real. Do not start pretending like others. Do not start copying others that how they are behaving. अपने morals, अपने ethics को मत भूलना. And eventually you will learn कि तुम कितने अच्छे इंसान हो, because I have learned that. Okay, that's it. And do not forget to enjoy your college life. You're going to have so much fun. मतलब बहुत fun होता है. It is your college life at the fullest. मतलब मस्ती कर लो यार, जितनी मस्ती करनी. This is going to be your core time, तो just have fun. Many of you are very scared कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. Some of you are moving to other city, other state. It is going to be very different experience, very different. You are going to have fun, you are going to have drama, you are going to make so many memories, whether it is good or whether it is bad. I have learned a lot of lessons. मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दिस कि मुझे सेकेंड ईयर में भी ये सब मैं फिर से सीखने वाली हूँ. बिकॉज आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ. आई ट्रस्ट कि मैं कितना भी ज्ञान दे दूँ अपने आप को, कितना भी ज्ञान बांट दूँ, कितनी बार भी ये सब अपने भेजे में घुसा दूँ, बट मेरे भेजे में ये सब चीज़ जाता ही नहीं है. सो या मैं अपनी गलतियों से सीख ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. बट आई विश कि तो आप मेरी गलतियों से सीखोगे. ट्राई टू बैलेंस बोथ ऑफ देम एंड हियर यू गो. That's it. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.